Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss the full sectional front view, full sectional side view and top view of this object. So let's read the drawing. Reading the drawing means reading the shape and size of the object. So this one is the front view. Direction of view is already given. So total length is 150. From here to here total length is 150. The height of the cylinder is 52. Height of this part, remaining part is 30. So this one is 22 here. The thickness of this base is 22. So the length of the slot is 30 mm. If 30 mm this side, here also it will be 30 mm. The width of this base is 48 and this slot is of 18. The width is 18 mm here. So means here also this is 18 mm. This is symmetrical object. Now this 72 is the dia of the cylinder. 48 is the dia of this hole. And depth of the hole is 24. Here you can see this edge and here it is given 24, means depth of the hole is 24. This is hollow till 24 mm only. So now we have seen all the dimensions here. This is 72, this is 48, this one is 48, this one is 18 from here to here. This length of the slot is 30, thickness of the base is 22 and total height is 52. So now we have to draw the front view, side view and top view. So let's decide the angle of projection. We'll draw it in first angle of projection, means this is front, this is top. If this is front, this is top. So this will be the left side view. We'll ignore this. This is left hand side view because this part is visible to us. So we'll draw the left hand side view. Front, this is top and this is left hand side view with respect to this observer. So as per first angle of projection, this is front, top and left side view will be here. So we'll draw front view and left side view as a sectional view. So if this is the front view, for sectional front view, the cutting plane will be here. Here will be the cutting plane. The object has to be sectioned from this plane. For sectional front. And this is the symmetrical object, circular part is there and most of the information is available in top view. So let's draw the top view first. First we'll draw the top view and then we'll see 3 simple tricks for this sectional view. 3 simple steps for sectioning. It's a very simple trick. So let's draw the top view, then we'll draw the full sectional front view of this object. So let's draw the center line first. This is 150. So here you have to keep little bit patience to draw the center line. Don't draw it casually. It's a chain type line. This is 150. You can also mark the midpoint. This is 70, 80 and in between 75. Here will be the center of the circle. We can draw vertical center line also. Here will be the center of both the circles. Total length of the object is 150 and the width is given as 48 mm. Means if this is the center, 24 this side and 24 this side. For this 18 mm slot, 9 mm this side, 9 mm this side. So let's draw 24 upside and 24 downside. This total width is 48. So now this is 10, 20, 21, 22, 23 and this is 24. So this dimension is 15 to here it is 48. This one is 48. Here you are a little bit confused why it is 15. So you can see here, if total is 48 minus 18, so remaining is 30, means 15 this side, 15 this side. This dimension is 15. You can write here, this is 15, this is 15, so remaining is 18 out of 48. So here also we will draw the same dimension. This is 10 and this is 15. Let's draw the same thing here. This is 24. This is the first point. 45, 46, 47 and 48. This is second point. Here you can take 15. And here also we have to measure 15. So now you can see remaining dimension is 18. You can see this is 18 and this is 48. Similarly this side. Now this dimension is given as 30. So you can just place your scale here. We'll take 30 mm both the sides. "30 this side and 30 this side. This one is 30. Here also you have to measure 30 mm. So you can see some picture is clear now. We have prepared this one as 48, means this is 15, 15 and this is 18. Similarly on this side. Now we can close this. So after this we will draw the circle. One more question is there. You are calculating this length as a 39, like for total is 150 minus 72. The remaining is 78 divided by 2, 39. No, this is not 39, incorrect. 39 is at center. This is curved part. Here this length will be more than 39, which we cannot calculate. So let's draw the circle with dia 72, means radius 36. Here we'll draw the first circle. This is the first circle. Now the second dia is 48, so radius will be 24. This is 48 and this is outer one is 72. Now we will draw this horizontal line. So you can see this dimension is not 39. Here this dimension is 39. 150 minus 72, that is 78 remaining. So 78 divided by 2 means 39 this side, 39 this side. But this dimension is more than 39. This is the top view of the object. So now you have to draw the front view here, full sectional front view. So for full sectional front view, we have seen this should be the cutting plane here. If this is the front view, the cutting plane should be here for sectional front. So let's draw this cutting plane in the top view. The cutting plane line should be a chain line thick at the end. So now let's take the projections by taking the reference line. This is the reference line. Let's take the projections now. So here first we have projected the length of the object. Now let's project the diameter of the object. You have to be very careful here while placing your scale. Scale should be vertical line, used to draw the vertical line here. Projections should be vertical, exactly vertical. Now let's draw the outline of the object. See, as per the discussion, we have three simple steps. Simple trick is there. So 3 steps are there in simple trick. Right? To draw the sectional view, 3 steps are there in this trick. The first one is outline. Second one is identify cavity. Third step is sectioning or hatching. So let's draw the outline of this object. In this outline, 150 length will be there. This height will be 22. Length 150, height 22, and this height will be there, that is 30, and this is 72. So let's draw this. I'll say this is simpler than the orthographic projection. Now this height is 22. Now this is the projection for the cylinder. So we have to draw a horizontal line up to that cylinder. This is for the base. Now from here the cylinder will start. So this height is 30. Now here the cylinder will close. So just check this. This is the outline of the object. This is the outline of the object. You can see this. Simply outline. I'm not asking you to draw orthographic projection, just a simple outline. So this is 150, height is 22, 22. Then this horizontal surface, this one, 39, 39, and then 30, then 72. Just outline we have prepared now. Now after making the outline, second we have to draw the cavity. We have to find out the cavity. So in this whole section at the center, here is the cavity, means this circular hole. So let's take the projection from the circular hole. And this cavity means this hole is of depth 24. You can see this projection. This is aligned with this hole. Now here also we will take 24 mm depth. Now here you have to draw the depth. So this is the cavity at the center part. This is the cavity. One more cavity is there, like two sides, this side and this side. The dimension 30 mm. So about this cutting plane, this will be the cavity, and this surface will be untouched. This one. When you will cut this object, it will be sectioned from here. So this surface will be untouched. This will not come in cutting plane. So take the projection from here. You can see this. Here also we'll take the projection. So now here in this area there will be no hatching. Here also there is no hatching. So in remaining area we have to do the hatching. So this is the third step. After identifying the cavity, you have to do the hatching in remaining area. So this line should be at 45-degree angle. You can also note down the time, that how much time it will take to do the hatching. Don't draw it casually. The hatching consists of continuous thin line. After this, we will also draw the sectional side view of the object. You have to keep little bit patience here while making the section line. You can see all the lines are parallel to each other. Now this is the full sectional front view of this object. Now let's see the sectional side view of this object. Sectional side view. So in sectional side view, left side, left side sectional view. So if the observer is here for the left side view, and if you want to see the sectional side view from left side, you have to cut this object through this path. You can see, if the observer is here, you have to section this object through this path. Here it is left side view, but if you cut it from here, then you will be able to see sectional side view, left side sectional view. So what would be the sectional view? So it's a very simple. From the side view, you have to simply draw outline of the object. The outline will be 72 and 52. 72 is the diameter and 52 is the height. So let's draw the outline. So you can take the projection from here for the height. We have projected the height. This is height 52. Here you can take 45-degree angle to turn the projections. Like if you take 45-degree angle, you can turn the projections for the side view from here. But it's a very simple object. So we will measure here 72 without taking projection. This is 72. Now this is the height of the object. This is the outline of the object. I'm repeating this again. Only 3 simple steps are there in this trick. Step 1, just draw the outline. I'm not asking you to draw any hidden line, any orthographic projection, any internal edge, nothing. Very simple, just draw the outline. So from side view, this dimension will be 72 and this is 52. I'm not asking about this line. This is outline. Now second part is to identify the cavity. The second step is to identify the cavity about this cutting plane. So when you cut this object through this path, about this cutting plane, this will be the cavity. This is 48 and depth 24. So here we can take the projection. This depth is 24 and diameter is 48. So let's mark the centroid here. Sorry, center line. So out of 72, this is 30, 35 and 36. This is the center. Now the depth die of the hole is 48, means 24 this side and 24 this side. And this side again 24. So 24 this side, 24 this side. (40, 45, 46, 47, 48). Yes, it should be here. So now we will prepare the depth of this hole here. So after doing the cutting, after adding the cutting plane, this part will no more hidden. So now this is the sectional side view of the object. Sectional side view of the object, and in rest of the part you can do the hatching here. This is the third step. This is the full sectional side view of the object. Only two things are missing in this drawing. First one is dimensioning. So dimensioning is your task. I have already uploaded one lecture on the dimensioning. So second thing is the cutting plane. If this is the top view, we have projected the front view from this direction, and this was the cutting plane. After cutting this object from here, we have projected the front view. For side view, the observer is here from left side and the cutting plane is here, and then we have projected this object side view. So here we have to show the cutting plane line. This cutting plane line is very important. This is the direction of view and this is the name of the cutting plane B. So this is full sectional front view, top view and full sectional side view of the object. And there is one more thing, there is no need to draw the hidden lines here because we are talking about this particular section. So some of you will think we have to draw the hidden lines here, but there is no need to draw the hidden line because we are talking about the particular section of the object. Section is to say this section. So this line will be hidden. So there is no need to draw this. Still, if you have any doubt or any question, please post your comment and subscribe to the channel, please. Thank you so much.